Hi guys, what's up? It's one only by Nikki family. Welcome to another video. One love, welcome to the family. So guys, thank you for joining me. I know I haven't done a cooking video in a long time. So thank you all so much for watching and supporting the Nikki family. We do appreciate you guys from the bottom of our heart. Thank you so much. All those who celebrate birthday, anniversary, happy birthday, happy anniversary. Also, a special birthday going out to one of my subscriber husband who is like a father to me. Happy birthday, Pops or Nano. God bless you to see many more birthdays to come from my family. They all like to wish you a happy birthday. They're always gonna say happy birthday to you behind the camera.
Happy birthday. God bless you.
So happy birthday once again. Enjoy. I hope you enjoy your birthday. I do appreciate you guys for everything you have done. You and your wife and your son and daughter. We do appreciate it. So today, I've never done this on my channel before. We're gonna do some lat pat mullet. If I say it right, lat pat mullet, okay? This is my first time cooking it on the channel. I always cook mullet curry with egg or shrimp and everything. So today it's just gonna be mullet, mullet, okra, saijan, and green mango.
You lie, you're not cook okra.
So the lat pat is gonna have okra, saijan, tomato, and mango, and also I'll be doing some fried Karela and potato at the side with some rice. So like I said, I'll do some lat pat mullet with okra inside, saijan, tomato, mango, and pepper, and I'll also do some fried Karela with aloo at the side and rice. So this is my setup right here, as you can see. So this is how my setup is, guys. Here's my curry pepper, my aji, my masala, curry powder, onion, mango, okra, garlic, 2 sets of garlic. One set is for the Karela and one set is for the lat pat mullet curry. And there's my shallot, curry pepper. So in here I got 2 teaspoons curry powder, 2 teaspoons masala, 1 teaspoon aji. I got curry pepper here, both for the Karela and the lat pat. I got 3 shallot in here, 2 teaspoons of garlic each, half of a mango. I know I don't have the green one, guys. Well, so we have the ripe one. That's what we have to go with. And we have an onion over here. And over here, I got my potato for the Karela. And that's a brat time, fresh brat time. That's the Karela. Nice clean. Thanks to my subscriber, Devi Kananko. And this is the saijan. And she also gave me the tomato. And this is the mullet that we catch in New Jersey. So Riza, here is your lat pat mullet curry, okay? So big up yourself, Riza, and Miss Shamiza, and all the lovely subscribers who watch and support my channel. See it, each and every one of you guys. So thank you so much. I know I'm talking a little bit funny, but you guys know why. So I do appreciate once again. As you can see, I put up a little bit of a fall decoration. So thank you so much. One love. Stay tuned. So guys, this is how everything looks so far. As you can see, I put my aisle on to cook my lat pat over here. And that aisle is for the fried Karela. So stay tuned. So guys, I put my onion to fry up in the aisle to do my lat pat. So this is my first time doing this, okay? And I hope it come out good. So the onion is fried up. I'm gonna go ahead and throw my cup of pepper inside. My curry powder. So it's going on nice. That's the vent working in the background, okay? I'm gonna throw my masala now. Tea. I throw my mango in. The okra and saijan. Wait.
Okay, here's some brown.
Okay guys, so everybody cook differently. Everybody could have their own opinion on cooking. I like to add sardine in any curry I can cook. I like to add sardine inside. It gives it a good flavor for me. Sardine is good for you too. So this is how everything looks so far here, guys. And then add the mullet inside because the mullet doesn't take that long to cook. So guys, I'll cut in some nice fresh broad leaf inside. Give it a nice flavor. And I'm also going to add some green seasoning inside. So guys, I'm adding in my mullet now. So I left a little bit of gravy inside so the mullet can steam up because the mullet doesn't take that long to cook. And again, once again, this is the mullet we get from New Jersey. So guys, I add my mullet in here now. I gotta shake it like this. Shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it. So the mullet's not gonna break. Shake, shake, shake. Shake your booty. And I'll put it up on the stove. And this is how it looks so far. So that's my lat pat mullet. I have to dry down a little more, guys. And this is my Karela. Right now, it's almost done. I have to let it fry for a little bit more. I like it a little bit brown. So thank you guys so much for the love and support. So guys, here is my lat pat mullet.
Oh no.
All finished. So guys, this is how my setup for fall is in my table. So as you can see, I got the placemat and I got my nice fall glass here with the leaf on it. And I got the Halloween one just like that, but I didn't put it out as yet. So this is my table. And as you can see, we already take out our food on the fall plate. That's how it looks. So here's my rice and my lat pat mullet. As you can see how good it looks. And my fried Karela and aloo. So this is how everything looks. So stay tuned for the taste test. So guys, here I have my rice, my lat pat mullet, fried Karela and aloo. So this is our plate with the green mango and okra and saijan. So everybody dig in and give the honest opinion.
I'm gonna dig into the mud.
So I'm gonna burst my pepper.
My dad was
Piece of mango. Piece of mullet.
gonna dig into curd.
So guys, the food is hot. It just finished cooking. And the first one all goes to the subscriber. Thank you so much for the love and support. Big up.
The food tastes very good. And this is a mullet that my dad catch from Sandy Hook Beach.
You like it?
Yes. I definitely.
And the fruit is nice. And the Karela is so nice.
Because you love Karela.
Yeah, we should eat Karela. We should eat that one too.
So guys, this is my first time making lat pat. I do mullet curry before, but this is slightly different because the lat pat you don't take it down with a lot of gravy, but the mullet curry you take it down with a lot of gravy. So I do appreciate all of you guys for the love and support, and keep watching, like and subscribe and share. I do appreciate you guys. As you can see, I'm already ready for a second bite. So thank you all so much. Keep watching, like, subscribe and share to everybody. Once again, happy birthday to Nano. God bless you. Keep on watching, guys. One love. Welcome to the family. Peace out.